Invoices can be created for a project revision that is in an approved state and in all states afterward. At the top of the invoice creation panel, you can see the details of the approved quote and how much of the original approval has already been invoiced and paid. Using the slider bar, you can specify the percentage of the approved quote that you want to invoice. Gemma calculates the total amount of this invoice based on this percentage and adjusts for previously issued invoices, if any. By clicking on this button, an invoice will be created with the amount calculated by Gemma and by creating individual invoice items for each quote item. Similar to quote items, Gemma currently supports up to 5 invoice items. You can add extra invoice items as well as edit the details of a created invoice item. After you're happy with the amount and details of your invoice, you can send it directly to the contact person and the signatory of the project revision. In the Send dialog, you can add known contact persons of the client as email recipients. You can also add extra recipient email addresses. To remove an email address from the list of recipients, simply click on the selected email address. All the recipients will receive an email with the payment link and a PDF printout of the invoice. The Pay Online link of the invoice will forward your client to a secure online payment page to pay your invoice by credit card or other recognized payment options.